To use Zelle on SoFi for sending or receiving money, follow these easy steps. Zelle is integrated within the SoFi app, allowing you to transfer funds to others quickly and securely using just an email address or mobile number. Open the SoFi app. Download and install the SoFi app from your app store if you haven't already, and log into your SoFi account. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. On the main screen, look for the Pay and Transfer option in the menu. Choose Zelle. Within the Pay and Transfer section, select Send Money with Zelle. Add the recipient. To send money, you will need to add the recipient. You can search for their email address or mobile number linked to Zelle. Enter payment details. Enter the amount you want to send, and if needed, include a message or description for the payment. Send payment. Review the payment details, then tap Send to complete the transaction. Your recipient will receive the money in their linked bank account almost instantly. Receiving payments. To receive payments, simply share your Zelle linked email or phone number with others.